Hi everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. Today, I'll be guiding you through how to log into your Tinder. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to log into your Tinder, make sure you've signed up to Tinder account first. Once you have, you can easily log into your Tinder. Go tap open your Tinder application from your app drawer. You can log into Tinder with your Google, Facebook, and with your phone number. Choose any option that you'd like. Since I signed up using my phone number, let me go ahead and tap on Login with Phone Number option. Now, enter your phone number on the next page. After you are done, tap Continue. Wait for a code to arrive on your phone number. Once it does, it will be automatically typed in. If you don't receive the code, click on Resend and wait for the code to arrive. After it is typed in, tap Continue. And that is it. That is the only thing you'll need to do in order to log into your Tinder. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did in any way, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.